morning. This is another week, a fresh week, and we are hopeful for more peeps. Alright, quick one. This is what I'm looking out for. Let's start from the weekly. You know how we do it. Downsize from the weekly to the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, and to now on the weekly time frame. You see that price has been surging to the upside. Now we have first touch here, second touch here. So price has been breaking higher highs. Okay, to the daily now. Now get to the daily time frame. We also have price breaking higher highs to the upside. Okay, now we have a touch on this trend line. The touch here, so I'm expecting a touch on that trend line since it has taken out this high. So let's go to the 4 hours. On the 4 hour time frame, you see what price is doing here. Price went to the upside but rejected with full wick, so I'm expecting it to come down. Let's have a reaction here first on this trend line. Let's have a reaction here on the trend line. Now on the 4 hour time frame, you see the retracement that happened here. This retracement. So I'm expecting candle this retraced with only one candle. So I'm expecting price based on the pattern I trade. I'm expecting price to come here. If price doesn't reject here, I'm expecting it to come here and reject. Let price come here and reject. Okay, so that's the take profit zone I'm looking out for. So the first take profit zone is here, this zone here. Or if price fails to obey there, the next place is coming to is to touch the trend line. Okay, so on the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour to see it clearer. So now on the 1 hour time frame, you see what I'm talking about. On the 1 hour time frame, you see price, the interception of the F&R zone and the trend line. I'm expecting this price to still push to the downside, to sell to the downside. The market can do whatever it wants, and if it wants to retrace here, this is where I'm expecting this retracement to end before it sells. That is, if it fails to break the level I'm looking at for, this is the next place the price would retrace to this current market price. If you choose to go up, this is where I'm expecting it to end. Then on the 30 minutes, if you see the 30 minutes, we have a level here on the 30 minutes. This is a 30 minutes level. Okay, so that's a level on 30 minutes, which I'm expecting. If price breaks this level, then it's coming to the first take profit, then to our final take profit. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, this is it, and price still respected that level. So that's 30 and 15 minutes time frame level. So I'm expecting price to break this level, and if price fails to break and it breaks this upside, then it's going to where I'm expecting price to get to before dropping massively. The price has been buying since the beginning of the war. The Israel-Palestinian war, price has been buying. So if price breaks, this is where I'm expecting it to get to more of a 1 to 3 weeks reward. So I'll keep you guys posted on this trade. If I take, today is Monday, I don't actually trade on Monday, but if I see it give me enough reasons to sell, I'll sell. Enough reasons to buy, I will buy. Okay, this is an update on this trade. So this morning we're looking for price to break either to the upside or to the downside, but our main bias was to sell. So the moment price broke out from the 30 and 15 minutes time frame, the trade got triggered, and you see it dropped massively. It was a massive drop today. So now I was expecting price to react once it gets to that trend line, the down trend line. So the first one, it has broken, so I'm expecting a retest on that one, and before it gets to the down one. So this is going to be a long drop. Now where the zone there's a zone there, so now I'm expecting price to this retracement to end on that zone, before the buy to the upside. But you know, this is trading. We'll react to price action. So whatever price does, if it creates any noticeable level, then we can scale in more position for this sell. But you see, predicted this morning that price was going to sell and it sold. So we're going to keep our arms crossed, then eyes on the chart to see where